Hi everyone, today with me I have this thick ceramic utensil holder for your kitchen, and my favorite part about this is how they included two designs in one utensil holder. So the first design are these stripes, which I think look super elegant, and then you also have just the dots that are so delicate and dainty, and you can of course display both and just do a half and half if you would like. I think that this really helps me switch up my kitchen whenever I'm feeling it. I can just switch this around and it kind of gives it a new and fresh look. It's so gorgeous and it can hold so many utensils. I put a few in here, but there's still some space definitely to add more. And what I like about this is that it's tall enough so my utensils don't get heavy and just drop and fall over, which can happen with other ones that are a little bit shorter. This one measures 6.77 inches by 5.19 inches on the top, and I absolutely love it. You can also display this in your house as just decor if you would like. Put in some fake plants on top if you would like, maybe some real ones as well. It makes for a perfect decoration whether you're gonna put utensils on it or not. So check this out on Amazon. It's definitely one of my favorite items in my home.